Welcome! She read the magazine yesterday. He has been to the beach many times. They exercised this morning.
As you can see, today we will focus on the present perfect versus the simple past. Let's begin. Your Language Studio presents YLS Tutorials with Jane Davis and Jack Brown, English coaches. Before we begin, please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Let's start.
Pay attention to the following situations. Sophie has been sick for days. Sophie was sick yesterday.
They have gone to Hawaii many times. They went to Hawaii last year.
She has walked around New York many times. She walked around the city and then she bought bread in the bakery. As you can see, we use the present perfect to express unfinished times. For example, she has been sick for days. On the other hand, we use the simple past to express finished times. Example, she was sick yesterday.
We also use the present perfect to refer to indefinite time. For example, they have gone to Hawaii many times. On the other hand, the simple past is used to refer to definite time. They went to Hawaii last year.
Another use of the present perfect is to refer to experiences. For example, she has walked around New York many times. Whereas the simple past is used to refer to series of finished actions. Example, she walked around the city and then she bought bread in the bakery. Now practice using the simple past and the present perfect. Thanks for watching. See you in our next tutorial.
Bye!